Welcome back. A new chat service has been launched to assist small businesses to succeed amid COVID-19. The SMMEstart chat service will give information to business owners on how to restart and grow their business during COVID-19 and beyond. Samantha Manclark from SMMEstart joins us to tell us how exactly it works. And Ms. Manclark, thank you for your time. Good morning to you. Now, it was quite disheartening to see most, businesses, small and, some medium-sized, some even big, having to shut down. Just recently we saw Musica announcing that they will be shutting down doors. So we know that this is absolutely real. COVID-19 impact has a disastrous effect. I mean, from some of the data and research or even the interactions we've had with some business owners, how bad is it from, your perspective?
Hi, good morning, and thanks for having me on the show. Yes, it's incredible the number of businesses that have been affected. I don't think that there is a business out there that hasn't had to relook at how they're doing business, their compliancy, and it's been devastating to see the number of businesses that are impacted and having to close. You're right, we did some research last year during COVID and during the lockdowns, just to understand what the needs were of many of the small businesses out there. And I mean, number one on the list is 100% financial impact to their businesses. But there were a lot of additional insights that we got out of the research, which was just a lot of business owners realizing, or COVID illuminating, the need for additional skills, access to information that is kind of easily absorbed, easily accessible, where relief opportunities might be. And a lot of them were looking around for information and finding it very, very scattered. And so we put together this project to really try and answer to some of those needs.
Let's talk more about that. I mean, what solution or strategy are you giving here? Because my understanding is this is aimed at helping those businesses to restart and further grow their businesses.
Absolutely. So the needs assessment research that we did, and as I just mentioned, highlighted the need for access to credible information, some training modules, resources that businesses can tap into and use to help them as they grow and recover out of COVID. Last year was just disastrous for so many businesses. We are going into this year understanding the challenges that we are facing. And so what we've tried to do is put all of the tools that SMMEs might need in one place, which is on WhatsApp, in the palm of their hands and available 24/7. And I think that, part of the research findings was just many business owners feeling very isolated, not knowing what resources or where to find resources, where to find what the latest relief and grant offerings are that are out there. And so our team of content developers consistently are updating the WhatsApp line. Basically, it's a chat-based system with a list of menu items that provides everything from some digital skills training to accounting guidelines to what the latest government relief offerings are. We saw a tourism grant announced earlier this week. We are updating the Chatbot weekly with all of that information and resources so that there's somewhere for them to go. I'm a business owner myself, and it's great to be able to go somewhere and just find information that would be relevant and helpful to me in my situation at this time.
And how has the response been from business owners in as far as, their response and feedback to you regarding the chat-based service, but also just in terms of, the overwhelming, if you have it all, number of people that are just trying to get a hold of you and trying to be a part of this community that you are building?
Absolutely. The response has been really, really good. I mean, everybody that we chat to, we're reaching out to many organizations that work with SMMEs. Obviously, being on your show this morning is helping us get the word out. But the response to the actual content and information has been really, really good. We also have a registration service on the chatbot so that, business owners can actually tell us what they need. And our team is at the ready to develop content or be able to answer to those needs. So it's really is a live platform. It's a platform that we're updating constantly, and the feedback we are getting via the registration system on the platform is guiding us as to how we can make it better every single day. That really becomes a useful tool.
Well, thank you so much for joining us and taking this initiative. Samantha Manclark from SMMEstart.